So in this quick video, I'll be showing you how you can change ringtones on your Xiaomi 15. And just to jump straight into this, we're going to open up our settings and navigate to sound and vibration. And then right at the top, you'll find your ringtones and notifications. Now I'm going to be strictly focusing on ringtones, but notifications should also have the option to change the sounds in the same way. So when you click either on ringtones or notifications, you'll be taken to this page right over here. Now, this is what could be basically considered like a free store from Xiaomi. This is using, I believe, even a themes application. And from here, you can search for categories of different ringtones, and you can just pick whichever one you want and play it from here. Or you can select your ringtones from either the pre-installed ringtones, meaning any kind of one that comes by default with the device, or probably the most appealing option would be to choose local ringtones. By clicking this option right here, you can choose from either recorded messages when you're using recorder, audio files, and music. Now, if you keep locally your music on your device, you can obviously use that as a ringtone now, and if you download some ringtone specific just MP3 files that are just, for instance, like 30 seconds, you can also obviously use those as ringtones as well. And that would probably be the most optimal option. And I don't have anything here, I think, to actually select. Yeah, there's just videos. So yeah, I can't really select anything, but you could select any of these existing ones. And obviously the ones that I can purchase. So if you found this very helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you could hit like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.